Hello friends, hello investors. In this video I will talk about another turnaround company. Just today I posted a video on smart work co-working space, which is also turning around. In fact, it turned around in this quarter. So this company is also it turned around last 1 year, and a lot of things happened. So I would discuss it in this. I will try to cover most of the things in this videos. Stay tuned for it. So the company is Nitco Limited. So Nitco Limited is a very well-known company. It's 4 or 5 decades old company. The company's main businesses there are three major verticals of this company basically. First is a tile and ceramic. So it's a very well-known name, Nitco Limited, into the tile and ceramic space. And they are also into marbles like Italian marble, and they have their own capacity for marble, cutting and shaping. This capex was done many years ago. So marble and tile and ceramics, ये दो उनके मेन वर्टिकल हैं. Third vertical, which is very I would say it's kind of a vertical which they recently came across, is real estate vertical. One second. Yeah. So in this real estate vertical, what they do is they do asset monetization. तो इसमें निटको का जो प्रमोटर का फैमिली है, they have bought large parcels of land basically in Maharashtra and Goa, and they have close to 450 acres of land in different parts of Maharashtra and Goa, and then they either sell this land parcel to premium builders, or they lease it for some industrial development like manufacturing facility and things like that. And they have done this recently. They monetized their Thane plot. From there they generated some 100 crore profit. So ये उनका they discovered this land, this real estate business. Basically they are not into developing a building or a commercial real estate property like a traditional business. What they do, they have a land bank, and they keep adding to their land bank, and then they make it habitable, and then they sell it or lease it to the customers. And good part is they are working with all the premium leading developers in the country, whether it is their tiles and ceramic business or whether it is real estate business. Like for some of their clients are very well known, like Runwal developers in Mumbai. Prestige is a very well known builder in South. Lodha Macrotech. So a lot of all the premium builders are their clients. Now coming to their performance in Q2, अभी तो Q3 चल रहा है. Q3 results are expected, and just before I delve into their Q2 results, this company also I have been tracking since last 2 quarters. So Q3 में उनका बिजनेस अपडेट आया था कि इन द मंथ ऑफ December 2025 their revenue grew by 85% month on month over January 2025. मतलब जनवरी में उसने जितना रेवेन्यू किया था, दिसंबर मंथ में उनका रेवेन्यू उससे 85% ज़्यादा था. So basically what they are trying to say is that their business overall, the consolidated business, which consists of tiles and ceramics, marble and real estate, all three put together, it is growing at a very fast pace. So coming to the इसमें टर्न अराउंड पे मैं थोड़ा बाद में होऊंगा. पहले फर्स्ट आई विल टॉक अबाउट देयर performance in the last quarter, and how did the things go. So first of all, in the last quarter, what management has said that 2020 to 25 was a challenging phase for their company, और उसमें बहुत सारा debt बन गया था. So they were in high debt space, But in 2024 financial year and in the financial year 2025, things changed and they did debt restructuring and some working capital inclusion, and a very well-known NBFC called Authum Investment, Authum Investment, they partnered with this and they came into this business. They joined them as a financial partner, and by virtue of that, as per their Q2 corporate presentation, their debt reduced by 96% YOY. उनका जितना डेट एक साल पहले फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24 में था, उससे ऑलमोस्ट 96% डेट कम हो गया. तो करंटली दे आर ऑलमोस्ट डेट फ्री. और Q2 में भी उनका रेवेन्यू ग्रू बाय 64% एंड पैट इंक्रीज बाय 106%. सो दैट हैज़ बीन अ फिनोमिनल डेवलपमेंट. ऑब्वियसली 64% का आपको YOY ग्रोथ मिल रहा है, मोर देन 100% का पैट ग्रोथ है. मतलब आपका रेवेन्यू तो बढ़ ही रहा है, ऊपर से ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज भी आपको इसमें आ रहा है. और अभी जो बिजनेस अपडेट आया रिसेंटली, जस्ट आई थिंक लास्ट वीक और लास्ट वीक, उसमें उन्होंने बताया कि 85% उनका ग्रो हुआ है बिजनेस इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर ओवर जनवरी 2025. मतलब ये दिस growth has sustained in Q3 as well. And I also heard one of their interviews of their promoters, Mr. Talreja, one of the promoters, and he said this bus business has no seasonality. It's a month-on-month kind of business. So इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि Q3 Q4 में आपका business ज़्यादा grow करेगा, Q1 Q2 will be slow. So that is not the case. And Nitco, it attracts very good brand name in the market, and once their debt problem was resolved, they are getting a lot of orders from all the premium developers. That's what the management, Mr. Talreja, said in their interview. So company के competitive edge में I will take the company has a very has a good R&D team, and they generally they are running their business on a asset light model. So basically इनका जो tiles और ceramic जो बनता है, they contract manufacture it through local vendors or through their partners or joint ventures, and उसमें भी एक quality assurance का check होता है. If that product complies with the standard, then only they accept it, and then they take it forward. So they have a very good control over their quality thing. And there are also one more segment is mosaic segment, which is also designer tiles. So all these are premium products in real estate sector, where they are they are working, they are functioning. One important coming to the talking about the real estate segment, where they have land parcels. Their management is companies aiming to unlock a cash flow of more than 1,000 crore in next 3 to 5 years by selling or leasing out their land banks, which is in Maharashtra and Goa. So ये 1,000 crore का तो उनका रेवेन्यू खाली रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस से ही आएगा. कैश फ्लो उनका रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस से आएगा, which was currently in just couple of years ago, it was almost nil. FY26 में definitely real estate business has kicked in. So overall all the three segments are doing very well. इसमें I don't think any con-call is there. 1 second. Okay. So इसमें because of the strategic inclusion of Authum investment into their business operations, promoter holding has drastically reduced. Because of the high debt situation, they had to sell their stake and convert debt into equity. So that is the reason. Otherwise, business is currently on a growth phase. अभी last business update भी अच्छा है, 85% month on month sales. So I'm looking forward to their Q3 numbers. कैसा आता है? Obviously अच्छा ही आना चाहिए, because they have no debt almost चला गया है, तो ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज भी आएगा, फाइनेंस कॉस्ट और इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट ज़ीरो हो जाएगा. इनफैक्ट अभी उनका बिजनेस भी इस तरह से रेवेन्यू ग्रो कर रहा है, तो ओवरऑल आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ प्रीटी सॉलिड नंबर फ्रॉम निटको. आई विल कीप ट्रैकिंग इट, एंड इफ आई फाइंड एनीथिंग more exciting about this business, I will definitely make another video on it. Do comment if you want to add anything on this business analysis. So this is again a turnaround company which has successfully executed in last 1 year. So turnaround companies में ये होता है कि currently if you see its PE, it is loss making because in last quarter, in last 2 quarters it turned profitable. But turnaround companies में ये होता है कि when the turnaround happens, market realizes it and it gives very good it performs very well, very good on the bourses. So let's track it and take it forward. Thank you.